Hi guys, welcome again on this channel. My name is Musurayo. You guys can see that today I'm giving you the rich auntie vibe. It's so nice to see you here again today. Thanks for stopping by at the channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, I can assure you we have a lot to learn together on this channel. Thank you again to my returning subscribers. In this video, I would like to share with you how to make this super cute beaded neckline designs, and unlike the one I posted on my channel previously, this one is super fast and really easy. And I thought I needed to come and show my friends so that now, you know how we do it. All right, if this video sounds like what you would like to see, let's get right into it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy watching it and also share with your friends. All right, so this is the neckline we're going to be beading. I've added this shiny bias just to give it a base, and here are the materials. We have our invisible thread, beading needle size 12. We have these two color pearls, and I have some sand beads or seed beads, whichever one you call it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and thread our needle, after which I'm going to be marking a point. Starting from that center point, I'm going to be marking points of 1 inch apart. So I'm grabbing my tape now and I'm going to be marking 1 inch apart on the whole of the neckline, and that's where our beading today is going to start from. I'll do the same thing to the other side as well, marking points 1 inch apart. Choosing the center line of the neck as the starting point, I already put in my needle and secured it. I'm going with the first pearl. After I put it inside of it like this, I'm going to be picking a sand bead. Then I'll put my needle into the pearl, right into the pearl, just like you see me do it. I hope it's clearer now. So right there, just like that, I'm going to try and make a loop so that I can secure my beads properly. I'm just going to go through that twice, and once this bead is properly secured, I'm going to be cutting the thread, then starting off on the next point. I'm going to repeat this same process. Please watch what I'm doing closely. The first thing, after the needle and the thread is already into the point you're working with, is the pearl, after which you had the sand bead or the seed beads. Then you would pull it together this way, then make a loop to secure the beads onto the fabric. I'm going to be repeating this process on all of the 1 inch points which I created all around the neckline. So just the way you see me do it is just the way we are going to be repeating the process until we've been able to complete it, this line and the other line. So this is the first step to achieving this beading design. Because I want this green to be a sort of a dot in between the other color, so this is where I'm going to be starting from. If at the end of this video you have another way by which you can achieve this, you can let us know in the comments so that we can learn together. Now I'm on the last one now. You can see that I've been able to fill the entire neckline with these green pearls, and now this is almost done. I'm also going to advise you work with a thread that is comfortable for you to handle, because one thing about invisible thread is it tangles a lot. So you can cut that now. Then the next thing you also need to look at what you're doing. In the last video I also said it, while you're beading the neckline, you want to be sure that the threading does not show on the other side.
Now next we are going to be working with these two colors, the pearl and this, the white pearls and the gold now, instead of the green which we were working on before. Now I'm going to make these white pearls to go all around each of the green which we have already attached. So I'm going to be making it go in a sort of a spiral form. I just want you to watch this closely. Like I said, this beading design is something that is really easy, and trust me when I say this is something that you can create in like 2 hours or less. That's just the truth. This is one of the simple beading design that I've come across, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. So go ahead to secure your thread into that point, and now we take our white pearls and our sand bead. So you pinch a little bit of fabric into it like this, and we take it to the next spot. Unlike the first one we did where we are cutting the thread after each one, this one I didn't cut the thread because I thought it's going to be a faster way, which worked eventually. So you pick the pearl and the seed beads, then you take it into the pearls, then you pinch a little bit of fabric in and out that way. Just look at this closely and I'm sure you're going to understand. Don't forget, we want to create a sort of a spiral form all around the green pearls we already attached before. I'm just going to keep quiet now so that you can look closely and understand what it is that I'm doing right here. When you take a look at this now, you can see that we are already having our spiral shape being formed. I've done it for this side, and I'm also going to be doing the same thing to complete the neckline on the other side. So basically what I did was just to be repeating this process. I've just been repeating this process, and that's what I've been doing, which I did till the end for this part. Now that I've completed the entire line, I'm also going to be going in that reverse direction. I hope you understand what I mean by that. I'm also going to be picking my thread and my beads into the thread this way, just following the same process, and I'm going to be taking it through in that spiral form again to the other side. So pick your pearl, and right here there's something I actually want to show you. Here I make a mistake of not putting my needle back into the pearl before pinching the fabric. So I'm going to quickly correct that. I return the needle back into the fabric, then I put it right into the pearl as if I'm starting up. I picked my sand bead, then I now put the needle now back into the white pearl, and that way you will see that by the time I'm done now, you see that the sand bead will now come up like it should. So I hope you see that that's corrected now. So just in case this happens to you too while you are beading. You can just quickly correct it like that. So I'm going to be passing my needle underneath this now, just to create a kind of intersection at that point. And I'm going to continue picking it, my pearls, my seed beads, then pinching the fabric to the next. I'm just going to basically continue this process, and when I get to points where the beads will be meeting, I will just simply take it underneath just to sort of intercept it to the other side, just like you see me do now. So you can see that by the time you look at it now, you see that we are already having that oval shape around the green pearls we created originally, and the back of the neckline is also clean. So we just want to make sure that your needlework does not show on the other end. And if you would like to see a video of the kaftan that I made this beading on, I'm going to be dropping the video really soon. So you would like to stay tuned to this channel, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy the video because it is really beginners friendly. So I'm almost done with the entire neckline now. I'm just going to be inserting one bead and add my sand bead, and that's it. Just securing the knot. And guys, you can see that this beading is really as easy as I said it was. This is something you can achieve in less than 2 hours, and you're going to make the neckline look really beautiful. Here is the finished look on a live mannequin. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.